Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Mas Yaski,
Waalaikumsalam
Selvi,
warahmatullahi
Ravita, and
wabarakatuh.
Dewi.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Right. So this one is the third session of the online training of how to structure and create an effective landing page digital marketing campaign. So previously, in the first session, we have learned about what are the digital marketing campaign rock and scorecards. And this is the correct window. Let me share. Yep. For the digital marketing campaign rock and scorecards, the metric and KPIs, the what's, and then the last session was what is a landing page and why it's important. And now we are on the most important design elements of a high converting landing page. Do we have exercise here? Okay, I would say that I would want you to have an exercise today. So let's see. So I will need to edit this one. So to see if you have enough time for an exercise, yeah. All right. Okay. So today's exercise will be what is the landing page that you are doing, and then what are the design elements. What I mean design here is not graphic design, but the design as in logical design of the page. Okay, so in this exercise, I think you can create a new page in Notion or a card in Notion, and then so basically write a simple Notion card or page, and then what is the landing page, the most priority landing page of your digital marketing campaign right now. Okay, so I would say that that will be for Sophie, for Dewi, for Yaski, Ravita. I think Ravita is now from Milov, yeah. Dewi was also from Milov, but each of you should do this individually. And for Selfie, the Talentiva for employer, yeah. And then for Masyaski, I would say self-fast chat, right? So, and then what are the design elements of your landing page? Yeah, this can be a list, yeah, with summary. Okay, so I'll give you about, yeah, maybe 5 to 10 minutes maximum. So I hope it can be done before the end of this course today. All right. So, well, and you can do it simultaneously as I am explaining, yeah. So you can prepare your Notion card or Notion page. Okay, so let's take a look at the best examples of landing pages with high conversion rate. So high conversion rate means that based on the people that visit the page, the visitors, conversion means that how many people either buy a product or how many people either submits a form and then fills up either the email address or maybe the phone number, or basically having interest in the product and want to buy, or at least want to ask to buy. Okay, so with a specific desire to buy. So high conversion rate means that the conversion rate is sufficiently high. I would say that sufficiently high is about 5 to 50%, 5 to 15% of visitors is quite high. So you have 100 visitors and we have 5 people who are buying, that's good. If we have 15 people who are buying out of 100 visitors, that's very good, okay? Because usually the bounce rate, a good bounce rate means the number of people who are leaving the website immediately is about 20%, and that's already quite good. So from 100, we already have only like 80 people left. And then from 80 people, some people are not buying and things. So if you have 5 to 15 people who are actually buying, that's very good. And then we learn from them. So what I mean by learning is not we try to recreate, no, but we extract the most important design elements or patterns from the best, okay, because we learn from the best. So maybe some of you have known Lyft. So Lyft is like Uber, and this one is a landing page not for passengers but for drivers. Okay, so there is a cookie here for the purpose of landing page optimization. It's just legal, doesn't matter, but it has to be there, the cookie warning. And then there will be a branding here, and then uh, some headline, okay, and then some summary. And usually in most landing pages, there will be a call to action directly in the first fold of screen. So what I mean by the first fold is the first screen that is shown. Uh, oh, I cannot make it small enough here without this. Oh, I see. I can dock it outside. Right. Okay. So what I mean by the first fold is the first screen that is shown without scrolling, yeah, without scrolling. And usually, even with the first fold without scrolling in the mobile device, so because 90% of people are using the mobile phone, I think also in this case, drivers, yeah, drivers, they use a mobile phone because, yeah, do you see drivers using their laptop everywhere? No, right? They use the mobile phone. So this is targeted directly to mobile phone users. And the first screen, there is a call to action, very direct call to action. So you have a car or you need a car. So you are a driver, but you don't have a car. And Lyft will provide the car for you, and then mobile number, and then I agree. So this is quite straightforward. And then after that, we have things like describing the product or service. And after that is why. So it's the reason why this product, or maybe why Lyft is better than, like Uber or other competitors. And then another uh, description, and also benefits, how it works, and so on. And then FAQ. This is very good. Usually when we are dealing with FAQ, this is actually will be a very long page. If you click each one of them, it becomes a very long page. But because they put FAQ, we also have FAQ section in WordPress guidance blocks to do this. And then that's it. Okay. So I think there's also a very important thing here is this one. Let me check if I click not yet here. All right, this is very good. Okay, so if the visitor is interested, then the visitor will fill the form. But if the visitor is not interested, it will also still fill a form. So this is a very, very good pattern. Okay, I'm not talking about design, visual design. I'm talking about the pattern of interaction to the user. So even if the user is going away, okay, this is not interesting, I want to go away, give options, all right? So I think this is something that I haven't put here. If the visitor is not interested, yeah, I think this is called exit pop-up or question. Ask visitor why, right, for our improvement. Okay, so this is very good. This is also why I asked Elfie if they are resigning from our company, why, right? So we know why and we can improve next. Okay, and that's for the Lyft. But uh, there is other things like Khan Academy. This is an online course for students. As you can see, we have navbar here at the top, and there is a hero feature. There is an image. There is a big heading, and also summary. And as always, we have a call to action. And when this call to action is clicked, uh, there will be several paths because this is the home page. This is not a landing page. So as you can see, a landing page and a home page is quite different because the Khan Academy is a home page. When you click start here, it still asks you, who are you? Are you a learner or a teacher or a parent or, give, donate? But in the Lyft landing page for drivers, you don't have to ask, do you want to be a passenger? No, because it's already the landing page for drivers. But in this case, because I'm from the homepage, okay, let's see if I want to be a learner. So what will we get here? Always a form. So usually call to action, it can be a button, but when it's clicked, it's usually a form. Okay, a form that can be signed up or can be asking a question and then giving results. And Traveloka, we already discussed this yesterday. So we have a navbar, we have a hero image, car rental in Bali, and there is a form, call to action. So the user can input where, the start date, duration, pickup time, and then click it to search the cars. And the rest for Traveloka is quite very, very detailed. Yeah, I would say um, this is a 5-star landing page for me because if you can see, other than the navbar and the hero feature here, and this is the main CTA, a form that goes to searching the car, and then you get the results. And then, yeah, obviously after you get your car, and then click on payment to book the car. And that's it. That's the goal of the landing page, is to get the user to input the credit card number or e-wallet. But as you can see, this is a very long landing page. That means it's very good for SEO. So you can see that all of the information down here, maybe it's not very important for some people, but other kinds of people and also for search engine, this is very interesting. Okay, so what cars are available, and the options for without driver and with driver, and also the requirements and general requirements, things like that. And this is, again, this is FAQ section. All right, this is FAQ section and the benefits. Okay, and there's another section, mini article. This is probably about 300 words or maybe 500 words, or yeah, 600 is okay, but not too long for Bali. I think this is longer, yeah, when we click read more. Yeah, this is a very long article. Okay. But this is very good for SEO. This is how you get to page 1 or even position 1 in Google. So if you see here, yeah, Traveloka gets the #1 position here. So you can see very rationally that this landing page is very, very good and very optimized. Okay, this is a very expert person doing this landing page. All right, so that's the best landing pages that we need to extract the pattern and apply that to our own digital marketing campaign. So we need to have a SEO friendly title, this branding, hero image, call to action, and then the form, and say the problem, and then there's another article, and then yeah, you can put the footer. I would say this one, yeah, exit, pop-up, or question. Yeah. So if you don't like it, then why? Yeah, this is from Lyft. Yeah, if you don't like this page, then why? And that's it. that's the material for today. So we are already 27 minutes, yeah. So I will give you time, another, let's say, 3 minutes. So please, I think there will be Yaski, Rafita, and okay, I will pick two people to present their structure of landing page. What is the most priority landing page of your digital marketing campaign right now? Uh, Two of you will present right now on this training, and but all of you needs to send me a link or maybe tag me on Notion card that I want it to be completed yeah before Jumatan lah ya. It should be quick, yeah, just to do this to exercise. Okay, it's not long. Okay, so the two people who will present will be Dewi and Selfie. All right, so Dewi will present at 10:50 and Selfie will present at maybe 10:53. All right, so 3-minute presentation. Okay, so Dewi, please get ready, and after you are ready, just share your screen, share your Notion, and just describe your landing page. This is just a structure, yeah. You don't have to create a landing page. You just describe textually based on what you have written. Yeah, basically something like this, yeah. Basically something like this. What is your landing page? What is the purpose? And what are the elements that you want to put in there, and concretely, yeah, like if you have a sign up form, what questions that you put there. If you have a exit pop-up question, what is the question and what are the answers? So this is for example. Okay, exit question is not interested, and then the choices will be this one and this one and this one and this one. All right. Okay, 1 minute left for
Mas,
Dewi. All right.
sorry, can you save the landing page the landing page this?
Save the landing page. What do you mean?
Yes.
She
Sorry.
mean updating your
Yes, updating your landing page.
not
This one.
landing page, but yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay. Yep.
Okay, I think this one is incorrect. Yeah, this would be this one. Yeah. This is actually here. Yeah. This exit pop-up is actually quite dynamic. Yeah, so it only
Mr.
shows.
Hendy,
Mhm.
sorry for interrupt, but on the course page that
Mhm.
you explained today, the
Mhm.
exercise hasn't been show up on the page.
Oh, really? That's weird.
Yeah, at the real pages it hasn't show up.
That's weird because I have
The,
updated this one.
yeah, I know.
Let me try to refresh it. This one is this one, yeah.
Yeah,
The most important design elements.
yeah, the most important element,
Yeah,
right?
it's showing for me.
Showing for you, but not here on the real page.
That's weird.
Yeah,
Should
that's
I
right.
purge current page? Yeah. But I would say that the question is quite simple, that you don't really have to read it.
Yeah, most priority.
Okay. All right, so it's already 10:51. I will stop sharing. So Dewi, please share your screen and present your landing page structure.
Sir, I haven't finished the structure.
All right. Okay, Selfie, please present. And then Dewi, you should
Wait,
be able
wait,
to present.
wait, wait, wait. I didn't finish too.
Okay. Okay, I will give 2 more minutes. Yeah, 10:53. Dewi used to present and 10:53, and then Selfie should present at 10:56. Yeah. So if we can keep this training session in 30 minutes, including exercise, that's improvement from last time. Or Masyaski, have you finished? You can.
I'm just thinking about answering number one question,
Okay.
because for the Solufastat we haven't yet have a landing page, but I would say that the most priority landing page is the subscribing page for chat services or providing for business relation, something like that.
Okay.
I mean, it's kind of business to business. Business to business type. Business to business relation, and then
The standard rewards here.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll share screen the.
All right, Dewi, please start.
Is it
Okay.
okay? From
Maybe you can
mail.
click full screen or increase the icon. Not full screen, full page. Yeah. Viewable page on the dots.
Oh ini.
All right. And then
Okay. For
increase the font a little bit. Yeah.
increase.
Because you are sharing the whole screen. You can zoom. Just zoom using your browser. Ah, that's great. Right.
Okay. For website, I think the necessary necessary things for best landing page is consists of navigation bar.
Wait. First, describe shortly in less than 30 words about your landing page. What is it, and what do you want to achieve from that?
The landing page is created is for increasing the sales, the package sales. Then the landing page for me
Sales of what?
sales of membership package.
Okay, of what membership package?
Silver.
All right. Okay, so it's quite specific, yeah.
Yeah. The landing, I think the best landing page is consists of navigation bar, branding, hero image. The third is hero image. Then call to action. After that, mini article, order form, and the footer that consists of frequently answer and question.
Okay, so this is the good structure. However, actually my question should this is my fault as well. So it should be like more specific, like hero image. Then you describe, okay, what image? Like, is this a image of a person or a young woman or something like that? And like, what are the words? Maybe not the actual words, but like a summary of the intention of the words. Okay, so like when you see call to action, not just call to action, it's very generic because this is like basically what I have already written there. So call to action means that you put like, you know, a button, what is the title of the button, and when click, what does it do? And mini article also, you at least you put the caption or the title of the article. So for example, in the case of Traveloka, the title is maybe like the best tourism places in Bali. Okay, so that's the title. Okay, not just mini article. Okay, but yeah, I've accepted your presentation. So the structure is
Thank
good,
you, sir.
but the it should be specific. Yeah, I hope Selfie in this case will give a more specific presentation. Okay, thank you, Dewi.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Next, Selfie.
No, sorry, stop sharing. Okay. Okay. I want to sharing my screen. Okay. For this, do you see my screen?
Okay, please zoom
All right.
and make it full page, yeah. Open S page. The
The top left.
wait, hilang. Okay. All right. Okay.
and use
Let's
zoom.
see.
Just pinch and zoom. Yep, that's great.
Yeah, yeah. All right. My landing page is to guide AI recruitment software. So for me, it's the Plantiva innovates. So this is most important to get employers interest with us. So AI recruitment software this to guide the employer to interest with us to get connection. So what is the best landing page-nya? Maybe it's the branding, logo or brand name about the AI recruitment software. So the phenomena, the user problems or why our solution is the best because the most important for the circumstance is the virtual interview. So AI recruitment software is the solution of the problems, their problems. So video demo of AI recruitment. So this is like maybe it's a testimonial or the video demo like how can AI recruitment software help the employers to get the best employers in the effective and efficient ways. So the form or action to guide like maybe it's if they are not interested or they are interested, so we can follow up they are to the make connection with us like this maybe.
Okay, thank you, Selfie. This is, I would say, this is an improvement. Although the elements are fewer than what Devi has created, but this one I like the point. First, the most important one is AI recruitment software. That's a quite specific purpose of the landing page. I like that. And also point number 3, you put a video demo of AI recruitment. That's very good. It's not something that I put generally or in a generic way in the training material, but you put that and it's very specific for your purpose. So that's very good. So for that, for Dewi, I would say I give a score of 70 because it's too generic. For Selfie, I give a score of 78. Why it's not 80? Because point 1, point 2, point 4, and point 5, they are still generic. Okay, point 1, that's okay. But maybe like for point 2, you should describe, okay, the user problem, what is it? Not just saying the user problem. Okay, so it's basically like saying employers have problem of this and our solution has this. Okay, so
Okay.
if you put number 2, number 4, and number 5 with good, number 5 has a typo, then you can get 80 or maybe 85. But I
Okay.
like both of your presentations, and I also feel that that's a success because in less than 10 minutes you can create the structure of a landing page, just the most important design elements, yeah, conceptually, in a very good way. And that's also based on learning and extracting the patterns of the best landing pages in the world, yeah, not just in Indonesia, but the best landing pages in the world from the best companies in the world, yeah, especially the Travel Kawan. So I'm quite happy with this session. Is there any question about this so far? Maybe Selfie can unshare the screen. So we'll go to a quick QA session now.
For me, I don't have a question.
Okay. Yaski, Revita.
Anyone?
So maybe I have a question.
Okay, sure.
Maybe it's feedback based on the material. There are 8 general elements in making a good landing page. Yeah. One of which is a hero with an attractive heading and short summary text.
Okay.
Whereas we know when creating a landing page using WordPress, the image itself has an alt text attribute.
Okay.
Do you think that setting or determining the word for alt text in image is influential and important in creating a landing page with a good SEO?
Okay.
Thank
I would say yes, it is influential. However, there are so many other things that are influential. For example, just the hero image alone. For example, there are other things like mini article, right? So having a mini article is much more important than just an alt text. Alt text, maybe how many words you can put in there? Maybe 10 words, 30 words maximum. But within a mini article, you can put maybe like 100 words, 300 words, 600 words. And in this case of Traveloka, it's thousands of words in there. That's also one reason why the Traveloka landing page has a number 1 rank in Google. So I would say yes, that is important, but I would say the importance is quite maybe like a P4. Yeah, I would say it's a P4, or at best it's P3. The most important are the uh, the the elements themselves are there and working properly, and uh, viewers can view them on the mobile device. For example, one of the most problems of Lovia websites so far is really not about bringing them to our website. It's really more about after the visitors are already in our website, we are not doing a good enough job of converting these visitors into sales. Our websites are regularly getting more than 1 million page views per month. However, we are not getting 1 million sales per month. That's a problem. All right. So if you have 1 million sales per month, then I will go to Maldives or something. Yeah. All right. Any other question?
you, sir.
Revita, Yaski?
Yeah, I think there is one question for me. It's related with the training session number 2. I think episode number 2. I mean, there is a correlation between the element of this landing page and then the importance of landing page. Right?
Mm, mm,
I mean, for the flow of this importance of landing page,
mm,
uh, is it the right way of digital marketing to do such as a big effort to do for marketing, just for marketing, something like that?
what do you mean such big of effort?
Yeah, I mean, there is as the digital marketing employee, I mean, you need to build a landing page first, and then you need to do make some advertisement, I think, ads or something,
Mm,
just to get leads,
mm,
something like that.
mm.
Uh, so I'm asking about the importance of the landing page, not the homepage or something.
Okay.
The importance of the landing page.
Okay.
Why does it? What does? Ya, kenapa bahasa Inggrisku? Why does it needs to be a landing page, not just homepage?
Okay. Actually, the answer is very, very clear. That if you see any principle in marketing, everyone expert in marketing will say, do not sell your product to everyone. Investor will also say that. You need to know who your audience is. You need to know who you are selling. If you are pitching to an investor and then the investor asks, okay, so who are your what is your product and who are you selling, and then you say this product is for everyone, we want to sell to everyone, basically the investor will get turned down. So this is why landing page is important, because a landing page knows exactly, not exactly, yeah, but really narrow down the need of that specific user. So for example, in Milov is everything about love. But in landing page, we can make a landing page that is tailored specifically, for example, divorced woman, divorced man, divorced Indian woman, divorced Muslim woman, or things like that, or Muslim woman or Muslim man. Because marketing is really about messaging. So marketing is about message. If you get the message across to the heart, then he or she will desire to buy the product and pay. All right. So I would say in a love way, you do not go to a girl and say, okay, I love you because I want to be an attractive person to every girl in the world. So you don't do that usually. You do that because you are special and things like that. So a landing page makes the user feel special, at least in their own problem, because they feel that problem is acknowledged. Okay, so if that's a big effort, it's not a big effort, it's a much lower effort than going to perempatan and then sharing the brochures where you do not know who the brochure will be for that person. Okay, you do not know the
Okay.
person. In the landing page, you know the person is, like woman or man or what is the problem. So, and as you can see here, it takes less than 10 minutes to structure a landing page, and actually should take less than 1 day, yeah, to create the landing page itself. Okay,
Okay.
that answer the
Thank you.
question.
That's answering my question.
All right, so Selfie, please conclude this training, and please ask everyone to rate using their hands.
Oke, belum
Yeah, so
Oke.
this will be an SOP, yeah. All right.
Okay, please, please raise up your hands and read the meeting. Okay, thank you for all. Okay, I wish the meeting is effective in the future. Okay, see you for all.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Mas Sandy.
Ini ngilang.
Oh ya, oh ya. One,
Muter.
two,
Dadah.
satu, dua, tiga. Kudunya pakai itu dulu, closingnya yang salam gitu-gitu baru hilang.